You have a kid who is using a lot of hurtful language, specifically with maybe their siblings or with kids at school. I have this incredible story that I heard a long time ago that really touched my heart, and I use it with my kids. I actually also put this into most newlyweds cards because I think it's an incredible lesson. So here we go. So once there was this kid who had a really hard time holding his tongue, and he used to hurt people with his words. And one day he came to his father, and his father was trying to explain to him that words can hurt. And instead of doing that, his father gave him a gift of a block of wood, some nails, and a hammer. And he said, "My son, I would like you to hammer a nail into this block of wood every time you feel like you want to hurt someone or lash out at someone with your words." So he did. One day he came back to his father and he said, "This hammering of the nails, Dad, it's really helped me to kind of keep my cool, and I don't feel like I need to hammer any more nails in." So his father said, "That's great. Here's what I want you to do next. I want you, for every time that you don't use your words to lash out at someone, to pull a nail out of the block of wood." So off the boy went, and he did it. A few days later, he came back to his father, very proud, handful of nails, a hammer, and the block of wood. "Look, Dad," he said, "I'm done. I've taken them all out, and I don't feel angry anymore, and I don't use my harsh words anymore." His father said, "That's fantastic, son. Now I want you to look at that piece of wood. Hurtful words, even when you take them back, they can leave a mark. So you have learned something very important, and that is not to throw out those hurtful words in the first place. Because you can take those nails out, you can take your words back, but know that they will always leave a little bit of a mark on the person at whom you threw them." I hope that you have learned something from the story, or that it was helpful in some way, and that you share it with your family, because stories are the best way to get messages across to our children, and a great way for us to remember certain things too. Would you agree?